Maybe someone has told you to create a list of action items or a to-do list for yourself. These are great to help you figure out what you need to complete. You may even love the idea, but how do you begin? A task checklist can be a great way to get yourself started. Let's work on one together. Okay, you have a list of activities you need to complete this week. How can we use a task checklist to help? Decide, do you want to complete the easier or more challenging tasks first? Pause this video and make that decision. Keep in mind, this decision may change based upon the class or the day. Your answers may change, and that's okay. You're on your way now. Now, create your list, writing each task, or the first step for a task, with a checkbox and a time estimate. Now, this next step is important. You want your list to not get too crazy long. That becomes overwhelming again. You want to create a just right list, no more than 3 items. If you finish your list and you want to keep going, you can always create a new list. Now, follow your plan. Do you have a timer? There will be a timer down below in the links if you need one. And if timers usually make you nervous or feel rushed, you don't need to use one. We will talk about ways to use timers to help you instead of making you nervous in another video. Pause this section and come back after you have completed as much of your list as you're able to do today. Welcome back. You have now completed as much of your checklist as you can today. This next part should not be skipped though. This is the metacognition, or thinking about thinking. Let's evaluate how your plan worked today. Answer the question, how successful was your plan today, honestly? After all, this is going to help you create a plan the next time. If your plan worked great, will you continue the plan in the same way tomorrow? If your plan didn't work as well as you had hoped, what happened? Did you try to do too much? Did something take longer than you estimated? Was something you thought would be easier more challenging? Would you prefer to begin with easier tasks first instead of the more challenging tasks? No matter what happened, if you are honest now, it will help you adjust the plans tomorrow. Adjusting plans and allowing yourself the feedback is a continuous part of the process for everyone. The important part? Keep going tomorrow. You can always adjust your plan. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. We can be found on social media as TeenChangers 12. TeenChangers is about making a positive impact one teen at a time. You've got this.